What's up, guys? I got this parcel from TikTok shop, and today I want to unbox it because I have another video to shoot. I think I'm just going to link all this video together because I don't know. Yeah, I want to unbox this lighting. I got this lighting from TikTok shop. Let's see how it's going to affect my lighting because currently I have a little light on top of my phone, but if I'm not close to the phone, it does not brighten my face and I don't like it.
All I see is blessings, got no time for stressing. Don't believe in failures in my life, it's only lessons. They just making room for what I'm on now.
So we are going to be unboxing this lighting. I don't know, it's the weather is not really that bright. It's sunny, it's rainy, it's cloudy. That is just changing up and down. That's why I need a light for my videos. So guys, unbox this with me. Let's go. I don't know if you guys can see it. Let's see what is inside and how the lighting is. And wow, it came in this box. Okay, let's keep going. Push, push. Okay. Okay. Wow, the packaging is nice. Okay, you guys can see me now, Abby. I'm trying to capture my face and this object. I don't know how to do it. Or let me just show you guys the object and kind of leave my face out of it, right? So, okay. I think this is, oh, I really don't know how to use all these. But I'm gonna try since I want to take YouTube seriously now. Okay, I need to sit down. I have to sit down to continue filming. I need to sit down. Okay, now that I'm sitting, I'm more comfortable. So yeah, let's keep going. It came with a manual on how to fix it. I think it's two. Oh, I thought I bought one anyway. Okay, so okay, we've opened this already. Okay. Oh. This, I don't know what this is called. Then another one. Oh, another light. Okay. What's this? This came in two. So let's see what's inside. Oh, this is the, don't know if you guys can see it. Wow, so big. Okay, let me put this gently in one place. Okay, I guess that's what is in here also. I've been having issue with lighting ever since. I have one small one, like I said earlier. That one is not really that bright. As you can see, my face is not, the light is not really reflecting on my face the way I want it. Okay, another one. Yeah, it's 2 balls, so it's gonna come with Okay, what is this? Oh, a tripod. If my saw will not break this stuff. Okay. Wow. This is a tripod. I think this too is a tripod. So we'll just try and fix one because I can't. Okay. Let me try and open it. Okay. Then place it on the floor and try and. Okay. Okay. Yep. Better now. Okay. Okay, so let's start fixing it now. Okay. Okay. No, go and break it. So I'm coming. I'm just trying to screw here. By the way, guys, if you are not following me on TikTok, please go and follow me. My name is Precious Osage12 on TikTok. I'm going to put it here. I upload more on TikTok. So just try and follow me there on TikTok. Oh, okay. Okay. I've gotten it. Let me put one of the bulb. And I got two, guys. Let me try and plug it and see. On it. Whoa. Oh, Jesus, this is so stressful. I would have just gotten a ring light. I would have just gotten a ring light. Oh my God. Okay. Guys, how is it? As in, is it bright? Let's see if there's gonna be any different because it's not supposed to be showing in my videos. So guys, I've fixed the two ring light now. They are here facing me. Let me just switch them on and let's see the difference. Wow, you can see the difference now. Like my face is now coming out and it's now bright. Yeah, I like this now. So guys, if you're interested in this ring light, please, I'll try to link that link down below. But I think I prefer ring lights. Anywhere I'm going, I'll just like having one tripod. This one I have to arrange three tripod. If I'm doing a day in my life, how do I film it now? I think I just have to use natural light. This is just for the sit down videos. I think I have to get another try. I have to because this one I don't know. How is it, guys? Is it good? Is it okay? I need to film another video after this, so I have to be fast before AN start crying. I have to be fast. This is just for the sit down video, because if I'm doing a vlog or a day in my life video, how will I be carrying this tripod and be walking up and down? It's going to be so stressful. I really don't know how I'm going to do it, but we'll see how we use this to work. We are going to the next level in this YouTube now. You know how it is. I've gotten lighting. Next, I think I'm going to try and invest in camera, but I'm not sure. YouTube have not started paying me. So when they start paying me, I'm going to use the money to invest in camera. So for now, my phone is okay. My phone is good. My phone got me up to 1,000 views. I know it can get me more subscribers. And I like the quality on my phone, guys. I love the quality on my phone. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it was all over the place. I'm sorry about that. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the family. And for my OG, thank you guys for always coming back to watch my video. Even when I was not uploading frequently, you guys were still supporting me and subscribing to my channel. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm going to see you guys on my next video. Bye bye.